Today, we'll be stopping off at the small town of College Station to grab some lunch. Today, I'm at Harvey Washbangers, ranked as one of the weirdest restaurants in America. And yes, they do have some unique burgers and beers, but that's not why I'm here today. I've got laundry to do. You see, Harvey Washbangers isn't just a restaurant, it's a laundromat with 80 state-of-the-art washers and dryers. And check this out. Each machine comes equipped with the ability to take credit and debit cards. Now, if you don't have time to stick around, no problem. You can drop it off. They offer a full wash, dry, and fold service. But if you're a do-it-yourself kind of person, load the machine, head to the restaurant. You can eat and drink while you wait. Get your suds started in here so you can enjoy some suds out there.
Harvey Washbangers actually started as a franchise 20 years ago. So a gentleman started the franchise and 8 locations were started, and this was the only one that managed to stay alive after 6 months. The owners have taken it over and have revamped the place and the menu and kind of made it more of a home feel for everyone to come to. Having the restaurant with the laundromat helps keep customers around. It gives them a way to relax and eat while they're doing their laundry. Food selection is basic burgers, but with our own twists. So everything's made in-house.
And this is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. They have a light board in the restaurant that tells you when your clothes are done. Each light corresponds to a specific machine. When your light is on, that means your machine is on. When your light goes off, get up, move them over to the dryer, come back, have a beer. It's actually a pretty genius idea. I mean, let's face it, everyone hates going to the laundromat. If you can enjoy great food and great beer while you wait, it actually makes you look forward to laundry day. Speaking of food, I'm getting kind of hungry. They have some pretty interesting burgers on the menu, but perhaps one of the most popular burgers is the Cajun burger, which comes with an andouille sausage and Angus patty. It's mixed with lettuce, tomato, mayo, pepper jack cheese, and fried crawfish on top. But as interesting as that sounds, I'm actually in the mood for an all-beef hot dog today. They have a BYO dog option where you can choose your own toppings, so I'm gonna go with chili, Fritos, and jalapenos. I'm not sure if I was in the mood for a hot dog or just a Frito pie, but this should be good either way. Thank you. And look, it even comes on a challah bun. Challah. All right, here we go. From now on, this is the only way I'm doing hot dogs. This is delicious.
A lot of the feedback we hear is how great of a concept this is. We get a lot of people that come in from out of town. They're like, oh, this would do great in any college town that we're from. And people love the idea. We actually get more families than we do college students. You would think with being in a college town, you get a lot of college students, but we get a lot more families that come through.
Well, this was a great place to stop for lunch. Their motto says it all: eat, drink, do laundry. And their guarantee is to turn your chores into cheers. You know, I could have never imagined looking forward to laundry day before now, but if I lived here, I imagine I'd probably find reasons to do laundry more often.